Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best beard combs is probably one of the most important tools in every bearded man's grooming kit, and choosing the right one can make a significant difference in how well you can style and maintain your beard. In this video, we will walk you through the top beard combs available on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you find the perfect comb to tame your facial hair. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Comb. Tired of a tangled beard? This comb's dual-sided design tackles knots and static with ease, leaving your beard smooth and looking great. It's the perfect finishing touch to your daily grooming routine. Experience the difference of a truly superior beard comb. Its fine and coarse teeth gently detangle, leaving your beard soft and manageable. Prepare to turn heads. It's more than just a comb, it's a statement. This handsome comb comes with a protective case, making it perfect for travel and ensuring it always looks its best. This comb is essential for applying beard oils and balms, ensuring even distribution and promoting healthy growth. It's the key to a well-nourished, vibrant beard. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. It features both fine and coarse teeth for versatile grooming. The included case makes it perfect for travel and keeps it safe from damage. If you're looking for a portable, high-quality comb for daily use, this is the one for you. What people say. The comb glides through his beard smoothly without any tugging, and the brush is just the right firmness, helping to distribute oils and keep everything in place. Good build quality and material. Gentle on beard. Less pulling and tearing. This grooming tool is a more universal use tool. I feel that this will work for a wider group of people with different lengths since it has two widths to allow for better grooming of thicker and thinner beards. Number 4. Viking Revolution Beard Set. It's time to upgrade your beard game. This set includes a high-quality brush and a dual-sided comb, ensuring a smooth and well-groomed beard. Easily distribute your beard oil, balm, or conditioner evenly throughout your beard with this convenient kit. Say goodbye to uneven application. Searching for a thoughtful gift for the bearded man in your life? This set comes in a luxurious velvet pouch, making it a perfect present. It's made from sustainable bamboo and pear wood. Enjoy the natural feel and quality of this grooming set. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. With this premium beard grooming set, you'll achieve the perfect beard, every time. Experience the Viking Revolution. What we like. This set includes a boar bristle brush and a dual-sided comb, perfect for a complete beard care routine. The velvet pouch makes it a great gift or for travel. If you want to upgrade your beard game with a complete grooming kit, this is your best bet. What people say. The comb glides through his beard smoothly without any tugging, and the brush is just the right firmness, helping to distribute oils and keep everything in place. Good build quality and material. Gentle on beard. Less pulling and tearing. This grooming tool is a more universal use tool. I feel that this will work for a wider group of people with different lengths since it has two widths to allow for better grooming of thicker and thinner beards. Number 3. Arkam Beard Straightener. Tired of a messy beard? This innovative tool is designed to tame even the most unruly facial hair. Get ready for a smooth, stylish look in minutes. It features 3 heat settings to match your beard type. Choose the perfect temperature for a smooth, frizz-free finish every time. It's that easy. This revolutionary brush straightens your beard with just one stroke. Save time and achieve professional results quickly and easily. Ionic technology eliminates frizz and keeps your beard hydrated. Enjoy a healthier, more manageable beard all day long. The included comb and travel bag make it perfect for touch-ups anytime, anywhere. Stay looking your best, no matter where you are. It includes a 30-minute auto shut-off and a 360-degree swivel cord for safety and convenience. Plus, it's designed for worldwide voltage compatibility. What we like. This heated beard brush straightens your beard in a single stroke, saving you time. It reduces frizz and locks in moisture for a smooth look. If you need a quick and easy way to style your beard, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It looks and performs as advertised. I put the setting on the highest setting, 475 degrees, and it gets hot quickly, about 2 to 3 minutes, and it didn't scald my face or burn the hair. I used it slowly, 3 to 5 seconds from top to bottom, beginning with the left side to compare and contrast, and started from my sideburns down to the bottom of the beard and worked my way to the front. In total, I spent about 5 to 10 minutes repeating it. I then used it on the right side. For the first time, my beard is noticeably more straight and smoother than I've felt before. The unit itself is simple: plug into the wall, click the only button on it until it's flashing one of the 4 heat settings, let it warm up for a minute or 2 and go. The nubs at the ends of the bristles do not transfer any heat, so I brushed the whole way to my scalp without any discomfort. My hair was straighter, but more importantly much smoother. Using the brush is simple, just plug it in and choose one of the 3 heat settings. It heats up quickly too. The entire brush head heats up, but the end of the bristles are covered so that the heat never burns your face. All you need to do is to run the brush slowly through your beard and it will straighten your facial hair, simple as that. Not only did it straighten the hair, it also made my beard look fuller. It was definitely much easier to style too. Number 2. Viking Revolution Beard Kit. Gentlemen, elevate your grooming routine with this complete beard care kit. It's everything you need to keep your beard looking and feeling its best. This kit contains a boar bristle brush, wooden comb, beard oil, beard balm, and beard scissors. Everything is designed to tame even the most unruly beards. Looking for the perfect gift for the bearded man in your life? This kit is a stylish and practical present he'll truly appreciate. From detangling to trimming, moisturizing to styling, it has all the tools you need for a complete grooming experience. It's simple and effective. Get all these high-quality beard care products in one convenient metal tin at an incredible price. It's a fantastic deal. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, just contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This kit has everything you need for beard care: a boar bristle brush, wooden comb, balm, oil, and scissors. It's great value and comes in a convenient metal tin. If you want a complete beard care solution, this kit is for you. What people say. First, the kit comes in a very nice quality box, with a hinged lid, and there are 3 types of combs in there for versatile hair care. A big bristly beard brush, a regular double-sided wooden comb, and a tiny black comb for his mustache. They rinse off easily and are nice high quality. Everything is excellent and works as it is advertised. The brush is great, the comb is solid, the scissors are first quality, and I love the beard oil and balm, and they smell great. The oil is great for a starter to very dry hair. The balm is great for the day-to-day conditioning and grooming. Leaves hands soft and smelling nice, as well as my face is being moisturized and helps with itchy flaky skin beard face. Biggest aspect I like is that it does not leave a oily greasy residue. Number 1. Striking Viking Folding Comb. It keeps your beard looking sharp and healthy. Its evenly spaced teeth handle even the wildest beards with ease. Just toss it in your bag for a quick beard fix anytime. Crafted from premium sandalwood, it helps detangle and strengthen your beard. It spreads your oils evenly, leaving your beard looking stronger and healthier. Growing a full beard takes dedication, but this makes maintenance easy. It encourages growth and keeps your look well groomed with ease. Embrace the striking Viking spirit with this compact folding comb. It fits easily in your pocket but works great on even the thickest beards. It's the ultimate travel comb for men on the go. Pair it with striking Viking beard oil for the finest beard in town. It ensures your facial hair stays in top shape. Embrace the striking Viking way. We pride ourselves on the quality and longevity of our wooden combs. It ensures you get that strong and healthy beard you've always wanted. What we like. This folding sandalwood comb is compact and perfect for travel. It's durable and smooth, ideal for on-the-go grooming. If you travel frequently and need a convenient, high-quality comb, this is the one. What people say. Does a great job. Combs through nicely and helps keep the beard manageable. I was curious about this folding wooden comb. Once getting it, I immediately saw how nicely it stored away in my pocket without any sign of being there. Nestled comfortably next to my key fob and didn't bulk up my pocket at all. Now the great part where the rubber meets the road. Or where the comb meets the beard, the tips of the bristles are not sharp, meaning no scratching of my cheek or chin. The strength of the tines held up nicely against the tug of my thick beard and slayed it into place. It did not absorb my beard oil at all, which was another concern. Excellent, basic comb. After 5 years, durable, compact, and very functional. High quality and built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.